Wow, that light stayed green for a long time. What's going on YouTube? Chopper Fett here with my initial audio test. This probably won't even be a real episode, so to speak, but trying out something new. Have my GoPro 4 now connected to a Sena gp10. So in theory, I should be getting quote-unquote CD quality audio out of my microphone attached to the Sena 20S. Pretty much anything that can be done to the bike outside of beefing up the internals has been done to the Dyna. I guess you could call me kind of a ricer of the motorcycle world. I mean, I got pipes, tune, intake, I got all that basic stuff on there, but I just feel like there's so much that can go wrong the second I start messing with the internals of a twin cam. I'm a self-taught YouTuber, so I do not have the most mechanical mind when it comes to that. I can do most of this stuff, it doesn't require me to enter the engine casing. But anywho, you'll notice it is a black front fender, and my bike is technically an orange and black motif, technically. Well, my front fender decided to have a nice little bit of rust on it, and it decided to chip off the paint in a very, very big way. So I have converted it to a black front fender, and I'm not just going to leave the bike that way. I am in the process of doing a full conversion, where I will leave the tank still orange and black, but the rear fender will also be all black here at some point in time. It's in my garage. I've just been lazy. Moving up again, got the bikini fairing from the FXDLS. I absolutely love the FXDLS. It's like, if I could have another Dyna, that would be the only one I would choose. You will see I have not a stock Dyna lowrider dash. Most of those dashes come with 2 gauges, and usually in chrome, with some of the newer ones, FXDLS, come in a wrinkle black, but also 2 gauges. I decided to go for the simplistic approach. Oh man, I thought they cleared all this already. Oh, it's just for that. Okay. I went with the simplest approach, which has a speedometer and tach built into one. Only downside is, again, just like the stock location, is the location. I have to look down in order to see how fast I'm technically going. So usually I play it by ear, but you'll see me look down every now and then because a lot of the roads I travel on can be cop infested. So the dash is actually off of I believe, a 2012-13 Street Bob. I did the conversion to a keyless ignition. So, I carry the keys on me so I can lock the bike when I'm at work or around town, etc. But it is nice when I get out to go in the garage, I can just flip a switch and go, and not to put a key in. It's not dangling loose there. It's just ready to go at all times. And I'm going the speed limit, and everyone blows by me. Thank you. One thing you probably won't see on my channel are stunts or wheelies or anything stupid. I do have an admiration for people who do it. I just don't want to do it, nor do I think I have the talent, the coordination, or the look. I'm a fatty. I don't think you see too many fatties popping them wheelies around, but if you're a fatty, you do it, let me know. But man, what a gorgeous day. There's a little bit of a headwind coming out of the south here, but got my jacket on, I got jeans on, and I am not sweating a bit. What's up, man? So as far as my GoPro setup for motovlogging, if this works, Really simple setup. I have a Sena 20S Evo, and it's connected to a GoPro Hero 4 Black. I went ahead and bought the Sena gp10 for the ease of communication, but I just don't know how well it's going to work out. The bad part about it is, making sure I was even still recording there, but the bad part about having the Sena unit attached to the GoPro is that I cannot put an extended battery now in the GoPro. I just have to basically know when I've been riding for about an hour and whoop, time to pull over and stop. But if I'm riding for an hour straight anyway, that's usually a good day. Yeah, get off my butt. Grass pads high on grass. I am not a singer. I do apologize for that. So I've been riding since about 2016, so I'm still pretty fresh face on the motorcycle circuit. My wife started riding the following season, so I started in the fall 2016, took the class. Basically had to sit on my ass until it warmed back up though. Then my wife got a Sportster herself in the spring, or no, February I believe of 2017, 18. And all I remember of that is I rode it home for her. It was 28 degrees and there was moisture on the ground. The guy we bought it from, I mean, it was a steal of a deal. I think had about half of it done that he actually said it was done. Said it had a 1200 conversion. I'm not convinced. But, you know, still 2500 for a 06 Sportster, not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. It's a great starter bike. I think at some point she'll be ready to move on to something bigger, but for now she's liking it. The gun who got me into riding the most would probably be my brother down in Oklahoma. You can find him under the Flying Frittata with underscores under each word on Instagram. He's always, trying to get me to buy a motorcycle. Like, oh, bro, watch this show. It's got, all the motorcycles. Hello, Sheriff. And so, he got me into watching Sons of Anarchy. I don't base any of my life off of that show or any sort of reality, but, I do have an appreciation for all things motorcycle. And, I just never had the right, time, partner to say, do it. So, when I met my wife-to-be, we were engaged. We got married, and she gave me the blessing to go and see what I liked about it. And I took the class, and I've been in love ever since. But my brother is definitely the one who always kind of pushed me for the two-wheel life. Other people in my family ride. My dad also rides. 2002 Fat Boy. And he just recently picked up a fun little toy. He picked up a 2012 10th anniversary V-Rod the other day. I haven't had to get a chance to ride it yet. I'm waiting for him to put a few more miles on it, get an actual tag on it before I hop on it. But he says it's quick, and I have a feeling it's going to put my little 96 twin cam guy here to shame. But that's alright. I'm not all about getting there fast. I just like to take my time. Sound like a true good old boy. I really hope this whistle is not being picked up on the microphone. I feel like it's in my ear, but I can't tell if it's up by the microphone. Ugh. Can't tell if it's my visor. Ah, yeah, definitely the visor. There we go. That should be better. Well, I'm not locking the visor. It stays open a smidge, so whatever. Anyway, back to my whole, life. Like, not sure if you guys saw that giant dip in the curb there. For some reason, the roads here are always pretty good, unless you go off to the side of them. Then there's one that we went on to Missouri for a ride one day. It was a slow thing. It was like a 15-mile-per-hour turn. But it had like a 5-foot drop if you hit the wrong part of the, if you went slightly off-road. Ooh, bug. Let's do this. Woo! I do love this bike. I don't think there's any way you can convince me to get rid of this one. Even when I'm ready for my next bike, I gotta keep this one in the garage. It's just so many memories, so much blood, sweat, tears, and money in it. Yeah. I'm definitely not what you would call the Harley purist. I don't have a carburetor. I'm fuel injected. I got the twin cam. I don't have the Evo. But you know, that's what I entered into when I started riding. That was what was affordable. I didn't want to have to buy something that required maintenance all the time. I just wanted something I could turn the key on and have fun with. Alright, YouTube, well, I have made it to my town of my home dwelling. I'll go ahead and cut this video off here. Feel free to reach out to me. I am Chopper Fit. I'm on Instagram. I think it's Chopper_Fit on there. If you follow me, I'll most likely follow you back until you start posting dumb political stuff or stuff that's weird, dumb, kind of like I am right now, dumb. Anyway, signing out. Oh wait, no, I just used my name. Oh, I'm gonna edit that out. All right, Chopper Fit signing out. See you guys.